Choice Broking has identified 10 stocks that investors should consider for modern trading in summer 2081, citing favorable growth trajectories and strategic developments across sectors like auto, technology, real estate, and healthcare. Number 1. Bajaj Auto. With a focus on exports, increased demand for its two-wheelers and the rise of its electric models like Chetak, Bajaj Auto is expected to see strong growth. The company's emphasis on marketing CNG-based and electric two-wheelers makes it top pick for the medium to long term. Bharat Dynamics. Bharat Dynamics, which caters to strategic needs of India's defense sector, is expected to benefit from large upcoming defense projects. Choice Broking sees a positive growth trajectory as this initiative being taking shape post FY25. Number 3. ACC. ACC is anticipated to grow driven by India's infrastructure push and residential projects. The company plans to scale up its cement capacity significantly by FY28, making it a favorable stock to watch. Number 4. Somany Ceramics. With a projected revenue growth at a CAGR of 11%, Somany Ceramics is expected to report healthy growth in the coming years. Choice Broking forecast an expansion in the company's return on capital employed by FY27. Number 5. TCS. TCS is making strategic investment in new growth markets, and with its strong pipeline of deals and interest in Gen AI, its revenue, EBIT and PAT are projected to grow at a CAGR over 10% by FY27. Number 6. HCL Technologies. HCL Teach remain committed to ethical and sustainable growth with a robust pipeline in data and AI-driven initiatives. Its revenue and profit are expected to grow at a strong pace between FY24 to FY27. Number 7. EFC. EFC based in Pune. It's a real estate management firm focusing on office rentals, interior design, and furniture commerce. With an expansion into furniture manufacturing, the company aims to generate multiple revenue streams. Number 8. Granules India. Granules India is expected to benefit from backward integration initiative and the stabilization of paracetamol sales in Europe. Choice Broking forecasts strong revenue growth at a CAGR of 15% between FY24 and FY27. Number 9. Global Health. Global Health, known for multi-specialty healthcare services, is one of the North and East India's largest private tertiary care providers. The company focuses on areas like cardiology, oncology, and liver transplants. And number 10. Argo Capital. With a tech-driven business model and a focus of MSME lending, Argo Capital is well positioned for long-term profitability. Its strong capital efficiency and co-lending partnership make it a favorable pick for investors.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.